Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bakery here. If today is your first time of tuning into this channel, you're welcome. So today we are making super easy air fry fish. This is actually a croaker fish. These are all we'll be using for this super easy air fried fish. All these are what I'll be using for it. I have an already made pepper mixture. In it there is Scotch bonnet, ginger, and a little bit of garlic. So make sure you wash your fish thoroughly. You know these fish usually have scales. Make sure you remove it and it is washed thoroughly. Okay. So right now it's time for the phase 2. I'll be adding the Scotch bonnet mixture into the blender. I want to add onions to it to boost the flavor of the Scotch bonnet. I'll be adding a little water to rinse out the plate where the Scotch bonnet mixture is. I almost forgot, I'm supposed to add spring onions to this blender. I'll be adding some spring onions to it and blend everything together. So now is the third stage. I'm going to create a pocket-like insertion on the fish. This is where the flavors or the stew is going to be placed. I'm going to use my brush to apply the stew all over the fish, and I'm going to add some spring onions and green pepper as well. So now I'm through with this one, with the first fish. I'm going to do the same thing to the second fish. So it took about 20 minutes for the fish to be very crispy and very nice. So we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up for our efforts, okay? So I'm going to show you the end results. I added more sauce to it to boost more flavor. You can use the sauce to dip it as a, you can use the sauce as a dip. It's equally very nice. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, okay? Alright, see you in my next video. Bye.